The future of industrial automation isn't coming, it's happening now. As industrial operations evolve, so do the challenges. Downtime, legacy systems, cyber risks, and the pressure to make smarter, faster, bolder decisions. Schneider Electric Alliance Partners are best-in-class, certified industrial distributors and system integrators who help you accelerate with confidence. They design and deploy secure end-to-end solutions, enabling innovative, resilient, and efficient operations. With deep technical expertise and local insights, our global network of alliance partners bring the latest technologies and expertise wherever you operate. Ready to unlock what's possible? Find a certified expert near you.